Da da da. Da da da.
Okay, so let's talk about the concrete, because really we have to pay a lot of attention to the condition of the concrete before we even think about putting terrazzo topping on it. It has to be cured for 30 days. It can't be any younger than that. If possible, we want that space to be dried out. Okay, we want to put the terrazzo in under at-use conditions, temperature and humidity. We want the climate control mechanicals to already have been in service. This is key for any epoxy terrazzo system, since epoxy is not a breathable material, unlike cement, which is breathable. Epoxy is not breathable, so we need that concrete to be a maximum relative humidity of 80%. And so I know that most of the union terrazzo contractors put a moisture mitigation membrane over the concrete as a matter of course. Even if it's tested to be a little less than 80% relative humidity, a lot of times they'll just use that moisture mitigation membrane for belts and suspenders. Minimum temperature 60 degrees Fahrenheit, must be below at least 5 degrees Fahrenheit above the dew point. All right, so for a bonded terrazzo system like epoxy, we can't have dust and debris on the floor. We have to have the floor clean. We have to have it dry. We should have it scarified or shot blast to a concrete surface profile that will open up the cracks and will also allow some tooth to, provide some tooth to the floor to achieve that bond. And we'll look at all of those. If the concrete is not flat, it needs to be made flat. And those shrinkage cracks need to be addressed with a crack suppression membrane.